Cocoico World with my first little tip for you to share your languages with children in the easiest way. Now, if you're working in a childcare centre or preschool, this is perfect. If you're running your own local language sessions, this is something that you can incorporate within your time, because if you're running local language sessions, you'll be having a specific period of time, maybe half an hour, that you're with the children. So this may apply. You may be able to use this or something similar. If you're in childcare and you've got the whole day with the children, there are plenty of opportunities to use this particular tip. Super easy. All you need to know is hat. That's it. You may have heard me mention this before. I bring it up from time to time because it is so easy. It's the easiest way to get started. So all you have to do is every time the children are going outside for their playtime. Now, if you're in Australia, like me, they have to wear hats. Legally, they have to wear hats every time they go outside. I think it's like a regulation. Other parts of the world, I think that may be different because it's not so, because the sun rays are different. So what I want to say is just every time you ask the children to get their hat, you just use hat in your language. So start by saying to them, hey, did you know where I come from? And you can tell them where you come from. We don't call a hat. No, we don't call it a hat. We call it, okay, I'll give you the French because that's the language that I share. We call it un chapeau. Un chapeau. Isn't that funny? We call it a hat. And the French kids call it un chapeau. So let's all go and get our chapeau when we're lining up for the door to go outside. And then all you have to do is use the word chapeau, use the word hat in your language every single time that you are going, replace the English with your language. Every time you use hat, the children will pick it up. Bam, so fast. And before you know it, they'll be saying to you, where's my chapeau? It's really cool, and how easy is that? No need to be nervous. Just go ahead and tell them how you say it in your country, in your language, and then use that every single time. Now, if I actually was speaking to one of my wonderful educators in New Zealand, and she said, we don't really wear hats at the moment. We wear gumboots. Every time we go outside, we have to put their gumboots on. There you go. Just say gumboots in your language. Super easy, super cool. The kids will be able to get it in a flash. Have fun with that little tip. Hey, see you next time.